class.
Hello and welcome to yet another episode where we shall be talking about the prediction for the Mathematics Grade 9, the June examination. Okay, so from the June exam, according to the guidelines, we are supposed to have just one paper, okay? This one paper should be having a minimum of 75 marks, but it can even go as far as 100 marks, okay? Now, it will be a combination of topics that were covered within term 1 and term 2. Okay. Okay, so most of the topics that are going to be covered in this paper would be topics of paper 1, okay? So under this, we have what we call, we can have what we call the number patterns, okay? Okay, number patterns or sequences and patterns. Then number 2, we could have something like the functions and relationships, those things of the spider webs. Number 3, we could have a topic of integers, okay, positive and negative whole numbers. Number 4, we can have fractions within this paper, okay, fractions within the June paper. These fractions could be both the common fractions as well as the decimal fractions. And then next, we can have a topic like equations. Okay, equations. Number 6, we can have what we call the exponents and indices. Number 7, I can have what we call the algebraic expressions, okay, algebraic expressions. So this is just a combination of term 1 and term 2. Now, some topics may not be here, but of course, they have to be included within the June paper. Topics like different types of whole numbers and all those things. Those can be brought in here and there, especially if, let's say, paper has what we call the MCQ, the multiple choice questions, okay? Now, these are basically the topics that could be examined within the forthcoming June exam for 2025. So work that has been covered in term 1 and term 2, all combined just in one paper, we say that it could be between 75 up to 100 marks, okay? That should be the range. So the time allocation is usually 50 marks for 1 hour. Okay, now since we're having 75, that's why we're giving 1.5 hours. Okay,